Hello my friends, my name is Ellen. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen and the 6th episode of Ellen's ChristKwan Series 2025. Do you love eggnog? I do. Well, today I got a great quick bread recipe to share with y'all. We're going to make eggnog bread. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious. And we're going to drizzle it on top with a homemade eggnog glaze. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this. Great to serve on Christmas morning for breakfast. Also makes a great gift to give to your loved ones. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down in the description box below. And for more eggnog recipes, check out my eggnog recipes playlist and my previous video, Red Velvet Waffles. I'll post the link to both of those down in the description box below. So turn on your oven, grab your loaf pan and your eggnog sugar because we're about to bake some eggnog bread magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep our dry ingredients. We need 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. So we're going to use my 1 cup measurement and fluff it up. Using a butter knife, we're going to level it off. And voila, perfect cup. We're going to pour it into my medium bowl and sifter. Now we need 1 more cup. Just repeat the process. That's 2 cups. Now we need 1/4 cup. A perfect 1/4 cup. So that's our 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. Into our flour, we're going to add in our leavenings and warm spices, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1/2 teaspoon each of table salt and ground nutmeg. Going to sift these all together, or you can whisk them if you like. Okie dokie, dry ingredients are done. Now we're going to set them aside while we work on our wet ingredients. In my large bowl, we're going to add in 2/3 cup of canola oil, or you can use vegetable oil. Going to make the bread nice and moist. Into our oil, we're going to add in 1 cup of white sugar, 2 extra large eggs at room temperature. Next, we're going to add in our extracts, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla, and 1/2 teaspoon of pure rum. I don't care much for rum, but feel free to add in a teaspoon. And last, but certainly not least, the eggnog. Going to add in 1 cup of eggnog at room temperature. I have a recipe for homemade eggnog. I'll post the link to that down in the description box below. You can use store-bought, but use a good quality brand. And we're going to whisk all these ingredients together until they're well blended. You can use a hand mixer if you like. Alright my friends, now we're going to add and mix in the dry ingredients a little at a time. Alright, last of the flour. And just keep on mixing. Be careful not to overmix. Alright my friends, I am through mixing up my batter. I can smell the rum extract and the nutmeg. Smells so holiday. And you see how nice and thick it is? That looks great. Now we are ready to pour it into our loaf pan. We're going to pour it in an 8x4 by 2 inch loaf pan. Before we pour it, I'm going to spray it generously with baking spray, or you can grease it with butter and flour so that way our bread won't stick. Alrighty, so now I'm going to shake it and bang it to release the air bubbles. Now it is ready to go into the oven. Ovens preheated to 350 degrees. Going to let it bake for 1 hour. And while the bread is baking, let's make our quick and easy eggnog glaze. In my bowl and sifter, we're going to add in 1 cup of powdered sugar and a pinch of table salt. Sift these together. Into our powdered sugar, we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of eggnog, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and 1/4 teaspoon of pure rum extract, or you can add in 1/2 teaspoon. And whisk all these together until they're well incorporated. Alright my friends, our glaze is done. See how nice and luscious that is? Excellent. So now we're going to set the glaze aside. Let's check on the bread. My friends, I smell eggnog bread. Look how nice and golden brown that is. I just taken it out of the oven. And it smells heavenly up in this kitchen. So now I'm going to let it rest in the pan for about 10 minutes. Alrighty, it's been 10 minutes. Time to flip the bread over. Gorgeous! Came out nicely. So now I'm going to let it cool for a few minutes. Alright my friends, it's been a few minutes. Our bread is still a little warm. And off camera, I add some wax paper onto my plate. Now we're going to drizzle the eggnog glaze right on top. Like so. Oh, my mouth's watering. Alrighty, now we're going to gently remove the wax paper for easy cleanup. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Eggnog quick bread. Doesn't that look good? So now I'm about to cut them into slices. I want to show y'all how nice and moist it is. Beautiful. Nice tender crumb. Alrighty, so now I'm about to fix me up a plate and give it a taste. Alright my friends, I got my plate right here and the glaze is nice and hardened. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Lovely texture. Look at that. Please have a bite. Super moist. It just melts in your mouth. I can taste the eggnog and I love that little hint of rum. The glaze is spectacular. I'm in eggnog heaven. This bread is phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Eggnog bread-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.